Okay, this year for the Christmas Ornament Challenge, we are making this ornament. It's cherry, it's four-sided, it's a little inside-out turning with a little Christmas tree inside of it, some glitter glow snow on it, and a little metal hook to hang it from. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to just focus on this little tree that I made. And I got a simple maple white pen blank, 3/4 by 3/4 by about 5.5 inches long. Mounted it in the lathe this direction, and it made a good starting point for the tree. So this is going to be kind of a long video. I'm going to show my technique. I'm going to show everything that I do, my challenges and struggles with it. So if you want to watch a little longer video where there's a lot of tool technique, stick around. Alright, this looked like a good enough place for a Christmas tree, so I'm going to just round it down and then make a little tree. Oh, geez. Oh man, almost. Alright, so that looks terrible. Chip that. Okay, now I'm kind of getting my technique down. Alright, well I'm kind of getting my technique down. I want to go down like this and leave it flat, so I'm coming in with the gouge like that. Although it's way too fat and I've been chipping it, so let's give it another try. There we go. This is too dull. See the difference sharpening that made? Oh boy. Okay, now we're going to make it green. Oh boy, are we ever. Cool. Now let's get that thing off there. Missed it. Just a tiny little nub the way it came off. Alright, well that wraps up our video on making this little tree that goes inside here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.